countries and famous airline: Air China, Delta Airline, Aeroflot Airline, Indigo Airline, Air China. Delta Airline, Aeroflot Airline, Indigo Airline,